If you're looking for a huge interior tract family home with a pool on a large pie-shaped cul-de-sac lot with a downstairs bedroom in one of the most highly sought-after beach-close communities served by top-ranked schools, then this is the home for you. Welcome to 21372 Pensacola Circle in Huntington Beach. Come on in. We know you're going to like what you see. Entering the home, you are not only greeted by a front living and dining room with a cozy gas fireplace, but by a floor plan with many options, including a downstairs master suite and an office that can serve as a sixth bedroom. Porcelain tile floors and carpet meander throughout the downstairs, where there are scraped ceilings and crown molding accents throughout. The efficient layout flows seamlessly into a beautifully remodeled kitchen that has a large peninsula with a breakfast bar and pendant lighting, lots of white shaker-style cabinetry with soft closing drawers and undermount lighting, exotic granite countertops, stainless steel appliances including a thermidor oven with a 6-burner gas stove and grill, a vented hood, mosaic tile backsplash, and recessed lighting. Open to the kitchen, the family room has a dual-pane slider door to the inviting backyard and allows in great natural light. Making your way to the enormous entertainer's backyard with nicely manicured landscaping, you will find everything you would expect, including a sparkling pool and hot tub, gas fire pit, plenty of grass for kids and pets to play, a side yard with a large wood deck, and a large shed for pool toys and yard tools. There's even a picnic bench. This Oasis is perfect for enjoying morning cups of coffee, warm afternoon breezes, pool parties, and family gatherings. Back inside the house, there is a first floor primary suite with sliders to a private wooden deck area, a large walk-in closet with cedar wood accents, and an en-suite 3-quarter bath. There is also a full hallway bath with a shower and tub off the family room. As you make your way upstairs, there are 4 generously sized bedrooms, 2 of which have walk-in closets, one of which has sliding doors to a large balcony overlooking the backyard, and another room that could serve as a huge bonus or game room or another primary suite, and has vaulted ceilings and access to an attic storage area. The upstairs bedrooms share a full hallway bathroom with a shower and tub. Other highlights include crown molding, scraped ceilings, and dual-pane windows, about 5 years old throughout, ceiling fans, new carpet flooring, a rebuilt balcony deck, interior and exterior painting, central heating that's about 10 to 12 years old, a 220 volt in the garage, refurbished pool equipment, repiped copper plumbing in 2022, a fairly new water heater, and refreshed landscaping. Only steps away, Geisler Park offers a great space to walk, play with kids and pets, or just enjoy beautiful open space. Close to exceptional schools, including Eder Elementary School, a short bike ride to world-class beaches, and the fine dining, entertainment, and shops at Main Street in Pacific City. Also nearby is South Coast Plaza, Costco, Huntington Beach Central Park, Library and Senior Center, Huntington Beach Sports Complex, the Equestrian Center, Mile Square Park and Golf Course, the Orange County Fairgrounds, and much more. Easy access to freeways and Pacific Coast Highway. Great homes in this location and this neighborhood rarely come on the market, so please call us today for a private showing. With many recent improvements, enjoy California coastal living at its finest.
Hey Justin, you know what happens when one of the houses we're selling has a pool in it, don't you?
Pool party! Oh yeah!
Ah! Well, I'd say it's time to buy a house with a pool.
Thank you.